Hello, GK Coder. Python and JavaScript are two of the most popular programming language in the world. They are both versatile and powerful, but they have different strengths and weaknesses. We will compare Python and JavaScript in detail to help you to decide which programming language is right for you. In this video, we are gonna talk about what is Python and Python use cases, salary for Python developer, what is JavaScript use cases, and finally salary for JavaScript programmer. So in the end of the video you have a special bonus, so don't forget to watch until end. Okay, what is Python? Python is a snake that can jump with it by your hands on to without the pain, so blah 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 blah. Now